Hello everybody. This is Best Buy Live Trading. This is our market recap and market outlook video for the third week of September 2025. Last week on Friday, we had a look above and close below Thursday's high at 6,600 SPX, which is about 659 on SPY, and the market has pulled back since about 2:30 p.m. with the MACD and the 1-hour candle turning red. All world markets have been rallying the past week. The Asian markets, the Nikkei, the Kospi, have reached all-time highs consecutively, as well as the US markets, SPX, and the Nasdaq QQQ. Everything except the German DAX and the British FTSE. It is very interesting to note that if we draw a Fibonacci from the opening of last Monday into the close of Friday, the 0.50 Fibonacci point is correlating to 652.25, which is the previous all-time high, as well as where the first gap exists below. This is also very close to the previous all-time high breakout point rejection of 652.5. This week is major news catalyst filled. FOMC rate cut decision is on Wednesday, and the FOMC meeting will start on Tuesday, September 16th and the 17th respectively. It is important to understand that people are anticipating both ways, up or down, going into FOMC. We could see some sort of choppiness, whether it is we are headed higher or lower before heading into FOMC. The Friday market closed red at the last 5 minutes, so we might see some sort of continuation pullback or a push lower a little bit into Monday open. It is reasonable to see some sort of bounce here at 6,537, which is about 653, 652.5x somewhere, which is around the gap. This will truly depend on which market will slow down first, the Asian or the US markets. The high of the expected monthly move is 665.80, so that means that if we are truly bullish into the beginning of the week, we may see some sort of push into the 660s. The market is very fast and volatile right now, so it is very important to be non-biased. Looking at the volatility index, we have filled all the gaps below. We are at 14.75, and we are waiting for the new week ahead. The QQQ's Invesco QQQ's Nasdaq ETF seems like it is going higher every day. The all-time high previous breakout is 583. So if we get some sort of a pullback, that will also be a support level to look at. There are also two gaps below on the Nasdaq, which is at 577 and at 566 respectively. We will see when the higher time divergence is clear and when these gaps fill. But it seems like for now the market is waiting until the FOMC rate cut decision. On another note, it seems like IWM, the Russell 2000 ETF small caps, has slightly pulled back already on Friday as QQQ and SPY held strong. The market has left a intraday 1-minute gap at the beginning of the morning session from Friday at 240.20, and it seems like IWM is pulling back maybe before the FOMC, and maybe a possible long is coming back to revisit the 240 levels in the foreseeable future. There may be a better risk to reward ratio when going long when the market does, if there is a better long opportunity on IWM compared to SPY and QQQ. We will see as the market develops. If you are new, hit the subscribe button, and we will see you when the market opens at the next live stream.